Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to deep condition your hair after a very long braid, how to moisturize, how to prevent excessive shedding of hair. So I had a mini braid on my head for about 5 months ago, and I was taking it off because of the mini nature. You have to take a time so that you wouldn't lose a lot of your hair. So after I've taken down the braid, the mini braid, I would put my hair on twist. So the first thing I'm going to do to this twist is by spraying some apple cider vinegar on the hair. And this is going to help detangle the hair and then make it easy for you to comb the hair. Aside from this, apple cider vinegar also provides your hair with shine. It prevents dandruff. It promotes hair growth as well. So aside from detangling your hair with apple cider vinegar, it also has other benefits to the hair. So I'm going to put the hair back into twist, and then we move on to the next thing. I'm then going to cover my hair with a shower cap for about 30 minutes. So as we wait, I'm going to be showing you a DIY, and this DIY is going to condition your hair so perfectly. So I'm going to be using banana, the fruit, the peel. I'm going to be adding aloe vera and an egg to this DIY. So this DIY is going to help prevent excessive shedding of the hair. Is going to leave your hair very thick. So if you have a tiny or light hair, yeah, let's say light hair, you can be doing this DIY, let's say every 2 weeks. This DIY is also going to prevent dandruff. It's going to promote your hair to grow, is going to add shine to your hair, is going to detangle your hair. If there are so many benefits from using this DIY, that is the main purpose I decided to go for this DIY, because it is super good. It is super good for your hair after a very long break. Just look at the thickness of it after I apply this DIY on my hair. So thick. That is how it's going to make your hair look like. It's going to leave your hair very thick. So I hope you're going to give this a try. So after I've applied this DIY on my hair, I'll just quickly brush through to make it even throughout the hair, and then I will go ahead and then put it back into twist. If you're loving this video so far, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and then turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, just a quick reminder. For the mini braid, to make it easy for you to unbraid it, you just go ahead and then cut it with a scissors, and then you go ahead and then unbraid it, because it actually took me 1 week to take this hair off, and it took me 3 weeks to complete that mini braid. So I have a lot of videos on this mini braid. I have hairstyles with it. I have how to refresh this mini braid into a different hairstyle. And I'll be leaving all these links in the description button or in the comment zone. So you do well to check it, and then you can make your own mini braid in the house. But I can assure you this is a nice hair that I will surely go back for it. Yes, I love the hairstyle. and I will surely go back for it. So I'm done washing my hair. Okay, you have to, yeah, when you're going to wash the hair, you have to unbraid the twist so that the DIY will move out of the hair. So that is what I did, and I've washed my hair very thoroughly with my shampoo and my conditioner. So I'll go ahead and add some moisturizer. I did that myself, some shea butter with some oils, and they also promote hair growth. So I'll go ahead and put some in my hair and then comb this hair through. You see how the hair is looking so shiny and very thick. So I'll do same. Oh my god, oh my god, I just lost this hair. No problem. So I'll do same for all of my hair, and then I'll just brush through and style this hair the way I want it to look like. Yeah. So, as I said earlier, if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please turn on your subscription button. In fact, click on the subscription button and then subscribe to my channel, and then you will not regret it. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.